This is the day 8 of our Goechela trek, where we'll be descending from Thansing at 12,900 feet to Tsoka, which is at 9,700 feet. The total distance is around 13 to 14 kilometers from Thansing to Kokachurang, Phedang, and then Tsoka. Whereas the distance from Kokachurang to Phedang is close to 4 to 5 kilometers, and it's in the dense forest full of rhododendrons of all colors like red, pink, and white. This trail goes uh, from the forest is very good. The environment here is quite fascinating as the rich forest vibrates enthusiasm and renewed energy. The pathway is quite simple with not much difficulty and no steep stages, which also helps in conducting a pleasant journey. The most astounding view in this trail is the sight of Mount Pandim with its snow-clad peak at our backside around the glorifying trail. The journey is very good, pleasant, not so sun, not so heat to the forest. And when we reached Phedang, we took the much required lunch break and had a stop for half an hour before moving to Tsoka. So enjoy this trail.